I love this sauna. Was not difficult to put together. Hardest part is the front door, but only because it's heavy. I put most of it together myself. Takes a little while to heat up, but that's okay. I turn it on when I get home, do a few things, then it's red for me. Definitely recommend. After using the sauna for a while now, I have come up with this conclusion. The sauna was easy to assemble, however the roof was too easy to assemble, had to cut something myself. Okay, now on the sauna itself, it heats up pretty fast, like 10 to 15 minutes, but my only complaint is it needs to be hotter for my needs. I would recommend this product. Got it yesterday, just used it. It is sold by JCPenney and Home Depot, but I got it here on Amazon. Setup was done in about an hour. Will only fit one person. Click on the link below to see price.